Oh God, please, no! 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 Let me just start this video by saying it was all worth it.
Bisaya. I-add na.
We got the 4AG Corolla running just in time for this weekend's race. We made it! So we just finished the driver's briefing. So excited to race. We are about, I think, 15 or 12 drivers in total. We're gonna cut to drone shots right about now. Getting ready now. Unfortunately, I didn't do a test run, so if I get lost, which I probably will get lost at one point, helmet for safety of course. I haven't fully tested out my new engine yet. For all intents and purposes, this really is my first run with my new engine. Power steering feels good. Let's rev it up a bit. Hear the engine scream. We're at the starting line. Ready? So I'm gonna go out for my second run. Hopefully I don't get lost again. If the car is still pretty tail happy, then I'm probably gonna change out my rear tires. The problem is, well, it's not really a problem, but my rear tires are at home, so it's just a quick, like 3-minute drive. Okay, we're at the starting line. gonna get tires literally undrivable because it's very deceiving. The rears are very sticky on tarmac, and then when you go in the grass, it just gives away. These tires suck. Now I have better tires. That's Julian eh. Sigtrash to kung buwang. There's Mark.
What's up, everyone? It's me, Mark.
Better tires. Ready? And I probably should have checked my tire pressure. Probably.
Tanga sa buhang mundong to'y nung sontoni.
This is the wheel that debeaded. Seems to be alright. But the rim is damaged, no doubt about that. But, you know. So we've now started running the second layout. I'm here at the parking area of the race cars. This is the car from vlog number 3. Can I beat a professional rally driver? A blacktop AE 101. My blacktop AE 101. A 4AF small body. Of course, Jong's GC8. This one is a Charade 3-cylinder. And a 4AFE Corolla big body. So I'm about to do the second layout, but still waiting for some carters to finish. You can see that there are carters on the track. Pero no problem. We just need to share the track with other people, you know. So this is the second layout. It's about 2 o'clock. Getting pretty hot, but it's racing. At this point, I just wanted to do a clean run and a decent time. Well, I didn't win anything, but you know what? Who cares about winning? First of all, I didn't crash my car into a tire wall, and the car still runs great with a new engine. At the end of the day, I was exhausted and my wallet's empty. Now, the question is, will I do it again? Of course. I can't even wait for the next one.